There's the beast. Kananaskis country, just on the edge of the Rockies here. We found the snow line. Look at that sign. There's about 4 feet of snow. I love it. And so I thought, hey, why not do a quick walkthrough while I'm doing a little cool off. So the goal today wasn't just to go for a 2-hour ride. At least I'm probably 2 hours in. And gear. So down in the city, it was about +5 Celsius. So 5 degrees above freezing. And that's pretty damn cold here in the morning. With any wind chill at all, you're below freezing. And so I'm actually wearing last year's Gas 3-ply waterproof shell, which is super waterproof. It's been fantastic. I've got a puffy underneath, Patagonia hoodie, then my jersey, then my Denise suit, and then a base layer. So I think I'm all in for about 5 layers just to stay warm. I love the guys at Fast House. This is kind of an enduro pant. It's got lots of extra pockets. And I've always been wearing, if you've seen my moto videos, SMX Alpine Stars boots. And these are the Tech 7s. I don't know if you can see that while I got them on. With the enduro sole. Wanted the enduro sole for kind of 2 reasons. I wanted to be able to give myself a little more height because 700 is super tall, if you haven't noticed. But also I need grip. If I was stumbling around here on my slick boots, man, I wouldn't be able to walk anywhere. So these boots are super comfortable. And these are, yes, the gas on the calf. So you can't miss it. I'm teamed right up now. And then in moto world, you think you have everything when you've got a bike, but grabbed a moto helmet at BFD. This is a A-Stars. Fits really nice. Grabbed some spy goggles because I'm a spy guy. Nice nose protection. For anyone who rides on the street, moto helmets are noisy as fuck, so be ready for the noise. Maybe get some earplugs. But so far so good. Feels really good on my head. And I bought the chin mount, of course, for my GoPro. Chin mount is the best mount for GoPros. Just watch it over time. Sometimes if you don't put this on properly, they can come loose. So I actually have a safety tether here that's attached to another fitting inside. So even if this falls off, that safety line will catch my GoPro. And that's about it for the gear right now. You know, like you can tell, I wear more of a backcountry setup with all my protection underneath, just more comfortable. Around the back here, this is actually an old Dakine Apex pack with hydration. I usually carry 1.5 liters, 2 liters of water, tools, some food, you know, whatever else I need. But it's a good size, really compact on my back. Had a good laugh though. I forgot to do up my waist strap and it got hooked into my rack. And so I was like, why am I attached to my bike? But anyhow, that's a lot of gear. That's a lot for today. So quick overview. If anyone has any questions about any of the parts, part numbers, getting stuff, where did I get it? Most everything came through BFD Moto here in Calgary. And I stuck with mostly factory gas add-ons. Thanks for watching. I might make a separate video of this for my ride today because I did have both GoPros going and got some pretty cool footage running over McLean Creek Road. I didn't think it would actually be open yet, but the road was open, or at least the gate was open. So I rode over to the other side of the park here. But thanks again for everyone for watching and tuning in Dirt World. I'll definitely get back out on the Ducati and do some street riding, but enjoying this, having fun. Now let's just get some warm weather and melt some more of this snow. See y'all soon.